AirPod 3G. The good thing about is battery is very lasting. It's up to 6 hours. Apple Store. Yeah, I just bought it now. I think. Yeah, so today I bought the AirPod 3 generation, which is the latest one right now. Alright, so I have that one actually, 2 generation, which is good. And today I'm looking for the that one. So today I bought the 3rd generation, but that is the AirPod Pro, which is very expensive, $249. So one I bought is the 3rd generation, is $179 plus tax. So now we're gonna compare the battery life. So battery life 3rd generation is very good, which will give me 6 hours long, and second one is 5 hours, and AirPod Pro is giving 4.5 hours. So that's why I bought the 3rd generation, which is the best for me. So battery life is very important to me, so that's why, and the price is very good, you know. Okay, so now I'm gonna unboxing it. This is how it looks like with the brand new box. It is $79 and plus tax. Alright, so we're gonna unboxing it. There you go. Designed by Apple in California. This is the original one. Yeah, those are the instruction paper, which I don't need it anyway. Just we're gonna leave on the side. So now I'm gonna open that. Yeah, it looks so cool. Yeah, I feel this is a little bit bigger than the 2G. Yeah, looks so cool anyway. Yeah, but I like the size of this 3G, you know. It's not too long, it's too short. I feel like it's very compact. Alright, so now we're gonna check what's here. Yeah, I think this is the charger. Yeah, so now I'm going to show you guys how to connect it to your phone. So it's gonna be pop up something just like it. So sometimes you need to update your phone before you connect it. And just download and install it. and put your passcode. Yeah, sometimes it requires update your iPhone. Make sure you have the latest version. Alright, so once you update it and you're gonna do the same thing, just open it and it pops up and click on the connect. Yeah, so just simply click on done. Here you go, you are hosted now, good to go. Alright guys, so this is pretty much how to set up and connect it. I hope you guys liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and make sure you hit the thumbs up and don't forget to leave the comment below. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for your watching.